Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: A Beginner's Guide to Cycling Through a List in Python. Introduction. In Python, cycling through a list, or iterating over its elements one by one, is a fundamental operation. Understanding how to traverse a list efficiently is crucial for many programming tasks. In this tutorial, we'll explore various methods to cycle through a list in Python, along with code examples. Method 1, using a for loop. The most common method to cycle through a list is by using a for loop. This loop iterates over each element in the list and executes a block of code for each element. Output. Method 2, using a while loop. Alternatively, you can cycle through a list using a while loop. This loop iterates until a specified condition is false. We use an index variable to access elements in the list. Output. Method 3, using list comprehension. List comprehension offers a concise way to cycle through a list while performing operations on its elements. Output. Method 4, using the iter and next functions. Python's iter function returns an iterator object, and the next function fetches the next item from the iterator. Output. Conclusion. Cycling through a list in Python is a basic yet essential task in programming. You can achieve it using various methods like for loops, while loops, list comprehension, or iterator objects. Choose the method that best suits your requirements and coding style. Understanding these techniques will help you efficiently manipulate lists in your Python programs. ChatGPT.